In this video of the Coinmarketcap video series, which is part 35, we're going to focus and finalize our item here. So right now we have this, and we can hover or move it from one side to the other. And what was first not working, or in the last video I noticed that the jumping effect, when we are with our mouse at the very end, it jumps to the left side. So the zoom box now doesn't jump anymore. Let's start to look how we can solve this item. So let's start to look what we're going to solve here, specifically this item here, which is when I drag this and then go here, we have this jump effect of the zoom box, and what we want to solve that one. And it's just a very tiny issue. So let's go down and scroll down all the way to the bottom. We're going to go to the bottom here, and what we're going to check here is the following. We go in here, and this is just very tiny, and I forgot to only put this part. We have this here. We're going to the offset, and what I want to do here is the offset, because that is basically, that's creating the issue. If my mouse cursor is basically below the right side of the chart area and the value is 0, in that case, then it should be like this, else it should not do that one. So if I save this now and refresh, now let's double test this. Alright, and go here. There we are, and this is basically the only item that I forgot in the previous video to solve. So that's it for now. So now we're done with the full functionality of this. You can see we can move this. This all works beautiful and it goes in the right pace. It's time for fixing the scales.